What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kelsey. I am really happy you clicked on this video because you're probably wanting to see some laundry tips that are gonna make your life a lot easier. Laundry is one of those things that we all have to do, so I thought this might be helpful and interesting for you guys to see. I'm going to give you tips on easy ways to speed up your laundry process, ways that you can make your clothes smell amazing all week long, and lots more. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, then just keep watching. First, I wanted to get a load of laundry going, but I want to share how I make my clothes smell amazing. For detergent, I've been using the Tide Original, and I really love this one. It is that fresh, cleaned laundry scent that we all love, and it cleans my clothes so well. I recently got a new softener, and this is the Downy Romantic Infusions. This scent is white tea and peony, and I'm telling you guys, this stuff is amazing. It smells heavenly. I also use the Unstoppable beads if I don't have softener, but I wanted to give you a different way to use the Unstoppable beads. So what you can do is, if you want to freshen up your dresser or your closet, you can get these sachet bags anywhere at the Dollar Tree or Target and fill them up with the Unstoppable beads, and then just pop them into your sock drawer, underwear drawer, whatever drawer you want to open and smell fresh and clean. Another idea is to take a scrunchie or some piece of fabric, spritz it with your favorite perfume, and then do the same thing, put it in a drawer or a contained area. Moving on, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY wrinkle releaser. This stuff is so good, you guys, especially if you're one of those people that hates to iron or just doesn't have an iron. This one is for you. You're going to need a glass bottle, some measuring cups, some conditioner of your choice, water, and then white distilled vinegar. This is one of the most simple DIYs, but it is also very effective. You take 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon conditioner of your choice, and then 1 tablespoon white vinegar, and shake it all together, and that's it. Once you have your concoction made, you take whatever garment you're wanting to unwrinkle and then spray it all over the shirt, lay it on a flat surface, and begin smoothing out whatever garment you're working on. You can let it air dry and it will have the same effect, but if you don't have a lot of time, just throw it in your dryer for about 1 to 2 minutes and it'll come out looking brand new, wrinkle-free. So next up are my bed sheets, and for this tip you will need some white distilled vinegar. If you don't have it on hand, it's at any grocery store and it's only about $3 to $4. All you'll need is a half a cup of white distilled vinegar. Throw it in along with your bed sheets, and this just helps to soften the bed sheets and it removes any lingering odors. So it is definitely a great thing to have on hand. This tip also works for clothes, so if you're wanting to remove any lingering odors from working out, or if you have a child that is in sports a lot, definitely add some into whatever load you're doing. I always wash my sheets and linens right before bed because I love that feeling of getting into the bed with warm, clean sheets. There's seriously nothing better. Next, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY Febreze, and these ingredients are probably all things you have on hand. All you'll need is a spray bottle, baking soda, any softener of your choice, and water. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of softener, and then fill the rest up with water and shake it all up and you are good to go. This is great to spritz on your bed, on any pillows throughout your house, in the living room. There are so many different ways you can use this. So this next idea is kind of interesting. My husband wears hats every single day and they tend to get really dirty, but I don't like to throw them in the washer because I feel like they rough them up too much and don't make them look that good. So I found this holder off Amazon and it's a ball cap buddy, and you just throw it in your dishwasher along with your cycle and it comes out looking so fresh and clean. So if you guys are interested in this, I will make sure to leave it in my description box. Moving on to my favorite tip of the video. This is for anyone and everyone. I know that I tend to lose socks all the time and I have no idea where they go. So I found this mesh holder, which I got at the Dollar Tree. This especially works for my daughter. She is 2. Her little socks tend to always get lost. So if you put it in this mesh bag, throw it in the wash, it works perfect. It's just so handy to have the socks all contained in one place. Next up, I'm going to be talking about my favorite dryer tips, and if you've watched my channel before, I have talked about these, but I have recently switched to dryer balls instead of dryer sheets. It has been such a good decision and I really love these ones. They are from Trader Joe's and you can use any essential oil. I use lavender essential oil because it is my favorite, but feel free to use whatever scent that you personally love. Dryer balls are not only cost effective, but they also help speed up the drying time and they smooth out wrinkles. So there are so many pros to these instead of dryer sheets. Highly recommend you taking a look into them. Another drying tip, if you don't have a lot of time, toss in a clean, fresh towel with your wet clothes and it helps speed up the drying process. I have a lot of respect for you guys out there who take the time to fold every article of clothing because for me that is just not realistic. I have this new hamper which is really functional. It has a side for both dirty and clean clothes. I love that you can toss your clean clothes in there if you just don't have time to fold them. There's nothing worse than clothes everywhere, so this hamper is especially great because you can throw all your clothes in there and it tucks it all nicely away. The last thing I wanted to share is how I store my laundry detergent and unstoppable beads. The laundry detergent container is actually a beverage dispenser, and it has worked so well for me. I get a lot of questions about this. This is IKEA for $19.99, and the glass jar I have for the unstoppable beads is also a jar from IKEA, and that one I think was only $5, but both of these are just so convenient and really easy to use. That is everything for this laundry hacks video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up if it did help you out in any way. And I would love if you considered subscribing to my channel. I post weekly videos Wednesday and Friday, so that's 2 videos every week. I hope you guys are enjoying the content I've been creating. It has been a lot of fun, and if you have any other video ideas that you're wanting to see, definitely leave a comment. Alright guys, go tackle that laundry that you've been putting off, and I hope you're able to implement some of these tips. I'll see you in my next video.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down to fly one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.